Are you leaving money on the table in real estate? What if I told you there's a treasure chest hidden in your property investments? One that could unlock financial freedom faster than you ever imagined. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover real estate accounting secrets that could save you thousands in taxes and skyrocket your wealth. Let's dive in. Welcome to JC Castle Accounting. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 real estate accounting strategies to help you maximize your profits. Whether you're just starting or already building an empire, these tips are a game changer. So grab a pen and paper and let me show you how it's done. First up, depreciation. Did you know that even though your property gains value over time, you can still deduct part of its cost from your taxes? That's right. It's like getting paid for your property's wear and tear. But here's the catch: land doesn't count. Make sure to calculate depreciation correctly with the help of a professional accountant. And next, let's talk about income. Rental properties are the bread and butter of real estate investing. But did you know that structuring your rental income strategically can reduce your tax burden? Pro tip: reinvest your profits into property improvements to build equity while saving on taxes. Leverage is the secret sauce of real estate. By using loans smartly, you can control more assets with less cash and magnify your returns. But beware, misusing leverage can lead to financial trouble, so always have a solid plan and consult an expert before diving in. Tax laws can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Take advantage of deductions, exemptions, and credits specific to real estate investors. For instance, did you know you can deduct mortgage interest or even claim energy efficiency upgrades? These moves can fast-track your financial freedom. Finally, equity and appreciation. Every rent check your tenants pay builds your equity. Combine that with market appreciation, and your wealth can grow exponentially over time. Remember, patience is key. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. And now that you've unlocked these real estate accounting secrets, it's time to take action. Don't let hidden opportunities slip away. At JC Castle Accounting, we specialize in helping investors like you maximize profits and minimize taxes. Ready to level up? Hit that like button, subscribe, and contact us today. Your financial freedom is closer than you think. Remember, the right accounting strategy can make or break your real estate journey.